Hey there. Today I want to show you how to sew your own cloth grocery bags. It takes just a few minutes and it's such a simple project. They're sturdy and built to last. Here's everything that you'll need. I found some really cute fat quarters of cotton fabric in my stash. That's what I'm going to use today, which means the pretty sides facing each other. Pin around the edges. Leave the top open. Now you're ready to sew along the sides and the bottom. Make sure to use a straight stitch and sew about 1/4 of an inch from the edge of the fabric. This will create a seam allowance. See, isn't this easy? These should be about 20 inches long and 2 inches wide. This will give you plenty of length to wrap around the bag, plus extra to sew the seams. Take the strip of fabric and fold it in half lengthwise. Pin it in place. Now sew the long edge using a straight stitch. Once you've sewn the edge, turn the handle right side out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to share it with your friends. And most importantly, remember to subscribe. I would love to have you back for my next video. If you enjoyed this video, I think you'll love my zero waste starter kit. I'll leave it linked below. I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now. Use a blunt object like a pencil or chopstick to push it through the opening. This will make it easier to turn it inside out. Once it's turned, pull it gently and shake it out. Now press the handle with an iron to make it nice and flat. This is what the finished handle should look like. Now repeat the same process with the second handle. Here's both handles ready to attach to the bag. You can do this on a regular sewing machine like I am doing, or you can even hand sew it. It's totally up to you. Place them evenly spaced on both sides of the bag. Here's what it looks like without the handles. And here's what it looks like with the handles. Look at that. You did it. Give yourself a nice pat on the back. You deserve it. This is such a fun project. I think you're going to love it. The handles should be positioned close to the edge of the bag. Now you can make several of these in different colors and patterns. Wouldn't that be so cute? I love this fabric. I think it turned out so well. Now it's so easy to carry all kinds of things. It's spacious and sturdy. Best of all, you can reuse it over and over again. Look at this. Isn't this so much fun? I love mine. I think you're gonna love yours too. Be careful not to pin them too close to the seam of the bag though. You still want to be able to sew over it. And that's it. Now just sew the handles onto the bag. Again, make sure to sew around the handle, but try not to sew over the seam of the bag. Instead, sew close to the edge of the bag. Do the same on the other side. And that's it. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. I always appreciate that. Also, remember to subscribe so you never miss out on future uploads. Of course, you could also buy a whole yard of fabric to cut into these shapes yourself. Great job. Now just trim off the excess fabric, just enough to remove the excess fabric. And that's it. Now you can continue to the next step. Next, let's move on to step number 5. To make the corners of your bag a little deeper, fold the top edge of the bag over about 1/2 inch. Press it down with your hands so it looks nice and neat. Now fold it over again, about 1/2 inch, and press it down. Now pin the fold in place. Again, this is optional. You don't have to pin if you don't want to. Now sew around the top edge. Be careful not to pull the fabric too tight. Just sew nice and slowly and you'll be fine. See, this is coming together nicely. And that's it. Now you're ready to move on to the next step. Simply fold in the bottom corner until the side seam lines up with the bottom seam. Measure about 2 inches from the tip of the bag using a measuring tape or ruler. Now pin it in place. Now sew across the corner seam about 2 inches from the tip of the bag. Repeat the same technique on the other side and you'll have something that looks like this. Isn't this so much fun? Now just trim off the excess fabric. Be careful not to cut too much, just enough to remove the excess fabric. And that's it. All you need is about 1 yard of fabric to get started. You'll also need matching thread, a measuring tape or ruler, scissors and pins or clips. You can also use a sewing machine, but if you don't have one, you can hand sew these bags too. I'll leave links in the description box below in case you'd like to pick up a nice basic sewing machine. If you're interested in learning more about sewing machines, I'll also leave a link to a video I made previously explaining the parts of a sewing machine and how to thread it. But no worries, you don't have to start right away. You can always watch that video later. For now, let's just get started with our project. You can wash them if they get dirty, and you can even put them in the washing machine. They come out looking like new. And best of all, You can make them yourself in any color or pattern that you like. These bags will save you money because you won't have to keep buying plastic bags. Plus, they're very good for the environment and Mother Earth will thank you for making this change. But the end result is so amazing. I absolutely love these things and they make me so happy every time I see them. These are great for shopping. So let's begin. Alright, here we go. First, you'll want to cut your fabric into two rectangles. Each piece should be about 18 by 20 inches. These will become the front and the back of your bag. If you're using a whole yard of fabric, make sure to cut to equal pieces. You will know you have done it right when you can still see the selvage edges on both sides. Like this? Perfect. So this is what the fabric looks like after cutting. Next, take the two pieces of fabric, right sides together. Once you've sewed the sides and the bottom seams, you'll have something that looks like this. Next, repeat the same technique on the opposite corner. Now you'll have something that looks like this. Now we're ready to hem the top edge of the bag. Next, we're going to make the handles for the bag. Cut 2 strips of fabric. Next, take the handles and pin them to the top of the bag. Now you can admire your handiwork. Isn't this gorgeous? Now you have a beautiful reusable bag that you can fill up with lots of goodies. Thanks for watching.